makapulos bill ko eh. Eh, syempre naman, may napakir ka. Kaya wala ka ito, gusto niya nataba, yung mahakaman. Diba? Damay na to. Gawin na siya. First, verify the information before sharing it to others. So that's number 3. Okay, next number 4.
Given product. Original sources.
Given present original success, acknowledging our creators or websites when using the website, proper credentials, honesty and respect for the government.
Okay, given credits to original sources. So kaya ng word nito sa Facebook atong CTTO. So credits to the owner. Diba? So that is number 4 rule. So you need to give a credit to the original source. So acknowledging the authors, creators, or websites when using their content. That for example, kay mga sa thesis or ang article, yung mga most probably, hindi ka mo ang mga citations, or years, di ba? So dito ang knowledge na. Kaya for example, ang website nila is hindi ka straight to. Pag nakita mo yung mga iyang information nila based on your personal use lang. So maybe pwede ka kasuhan na tawag na intellectual property. Hindi mo sarili, wala mo kaya citation sa iya. Wala mo respect niya na ownership. You need to give credits to the original source. Even person mo na, website, libro, may mga thesis, mga wala na person, yung gawin na pa article, yung mga introduction. So proper credit shows honesty. So honest ka. And respect for the intellectual property of the others. That is giving credit to the original source. And then last, number 5. Kay Lam.
Using technology responsive. Mapungkot ako, sir. Kaya lang ko, sir. Kaya harap ko, sir.
Hindi na ako pa. Okay, paano?
Kaya ka?
Avoiding misuse of minimal tools such as swallowing, hacking, or spreading malicious content.
Okay, using technology responsibly. So do you use technology responsibly? No man. Do you use technology responsibly? Maybe.
Oo, at hindi kayo sa responsibility pag-use ng
Chef.
Kaya responsible na pag-use ng